Hi everyone. In the previous video we have studied about exception handling, and in this video we will be studying about templates or generic programming. Now what is a generic programming? Till this point, if we had not studied templates, till this point if we want to pass an integer and two integers in a function, we will be creating a function for it. And if I want to pass characters in the same function, I cannot pass it, they will be automatically converted to integers, so I need to write another function for characters. And if I want to pass two pointers, I need to write another function for pointers which has argument type pointer. So this creates a lot of overhead, but with the help of templates I'll create only one template for function and I can pass any value onto it. The general syntax for creating a template is template, the keyword, it is a keyword, and in the angular brackets type name, and this is an identifier type name. You can type any name where you can type a type or a type 1 or type 2, anything. Now let us move to the code. I'll show you that how it is created. There is no need of classes to create templates, so I didn't create them. This is the general syntax: template, type name, and I have created one type, that which is of name type. So this type, and this type should be same in this function, sum function, and it will return a and b. Whatever value will be the passed here, it will return that values. So in the main function I have called the sum function, that with the arguments 1 and 2. Now 1 is of integer type and 2 is also of integer type. See that I have written here type and type and type. It means that these three types should be same. If it isn't, these two should be int. If it is float, these two should be float. If this is character, these two should be character. If this is a pointer, these two should be pointer. So in this case it is integer and this is also integer. So 1 and 2 will be gone here and int will be gone here. So this function will look like something like this: int sum int a comma int b and return a plus b. So now you are more familiar with this. So this type has been replaced by int when we call this function, the sum. In the next case, these two are characters. So this is a char, this is a char, and this is a char, and the ASCII value of two characters will be added. And in this case, it is a pointer, and I pointer 2 is a pointer. So this is a pointer, this is a pointer, and this is also a pointer. So two arguments pointer with a type pointer, so they will return a sum of two pointers. So I'll just compile it and run this program. See, first 3 has been printed, 1 and 2 are added, then 1 and b are added. So the ASCII value of b is 66 and 1 is 49. So when we add these two values, the ASCII value of small s will be become, so s has been printed over here. And in the next case, 5 and 2, both are pointers, both are integer pointers. So when we dereference them, 5 and 2 will be added and it will become 7. See, if I change it over here, 1 and 1, now this is an integer and this is a character, so these are of different type, and I'll just compile it. See, there is no matching function called to int and char, so these two types should be same in this type of function. So this is about the templates, where we can create a generic template for adding two functions. You can perform it up to any operator, minus, plus, or can perform any task in the function by creating just one template. But as you can see the problem here, that when I change the type to 1 and this is an integer, this is a character, but this type and type should be same. So this problem has a solution, but that solution will be explained in the next video. Thank you.